Hey guys, all week we've been talking about our opinions of something. An opinion is how we feel about a certain topic. Remember, we can like it, we can dislike it. We don't always have to agree with it, but we have an opinion about it. So this week we have been talking about why Miss Winchester doesn't like bacon, or why Miss Winchester does like broccoli. Okay, so today we are going to finish up why Miss Winchester does not like summer. Okay, and I'm going to read it to you guys so that you can remember what we wrote. Okay, I do not like summer because it is too hot. Okay, so I drew a picture of a sun and an X over it because the summer time is too hot. That's one reason why I don't like summer. Another reason why I don't like summer is because it's humid. I do not like summer because it is humid. Summer is sticky. So in the summertime, Miss Winchester doesn't like it when it's humid and sticky outside. Okay, so if you look on my picture says it is hot, it has a sun, and it has a picture of a popsicle that's melting. So these are all reasons why I do not like summer. You don't have to agree with the opinion, or you can have your own opinion. That's what's good about having your own opinion. It's how you feel. I want you to take a chance and read your story to someone at home. Okay? Tell them your opinion on something. Maybe tell them your opinion on which season's your favorite or which season you don't like. That's one of the topics we talked about in class. Remember, when you are writing, you are going to write the word because. That tells your reader where or when you're going to give them the reason. Okay, remember in class we talked about giving three reasons that you have that opinion. The reason comes after the word because. Take a chance and read to somebody at home.